Hey, Peanut. Feels good on the feet, huh? All right. We just rode our RZR here from the campground. I don't know how many miles it is, but I'm just talking to the camera. It was fun getting here. Almost fell. That's true, but look at what a good layout rock. This is a great layout rock. Pretty area. And they got fishing here too. Okay. Bye-bye.